Timothy and Henry California is marketed as a fashion brand with California-inspired branding, offering stylish clothing and accessories at attractive prices. The name and marketing may give the impression that it's a local California business, but the real question is it actually local? Now, to be fair, many online fashion brands use city or state names in their branding. That doesn't necessarily mean the company is based or operated there. What it does well: stylish fashion selection. The store offers a variety of casual clothing and everyday wardrobe essentials. Attractive pricing. Frequent promotions and discounts can make many items appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart, the branding may create assumptions. Having California in the name doesn't automatically mean the company is based in California. Check the company details. Before buying, look for the business address, contact information, and where orders are actually shipped from. Product quality may vary. Like many online boutiques, the materials, fit, and overall finish may not always match the promotional photos. So, should you buy from Timothy and Henry California? Short answer: maybe, but verify the details first. If you like the clothing and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't assume it's a California-based business simply because of its name or branding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.